tiny reviewer. So here's some labels. Assorted fruit-flavored gumdrops. I never ate gumdrops before, so this is my first time eating any type of gumdrop, whether it's dots or anything. So let's turn over and see the nutrition facts and the ingredients. So this is just a little math puzzle for you guys. I'm not doing it. The answer key is on the side panel somewhere right here. Oh, I'm not gonna show it to you, but over here. So you guys figure that out. So here are the nutrition facts, and here are the ingredients. Now let's open it up. So unlike most gumdrops, there's not really sugar covered. So I'm gonna pour them on a napkin because they won't roll away. Like the everlasting gobstoppers. Check that video out, link below. Easy to pour. Not coming out. Oh, I got it. There you go, that's empty. So let's see what flavors there are. So it looks like there's more rolling away. There's orange, lemon, to me, I'm not sure. Green, which to me, I'm not sure, but lime or watermelon. There's a pinkish, this is the confusing one. There's a pinkish one and a perfectly red one. So those are all the 5 flavors. So let's taste them, and I'm gonna rank them at the end and see what flavor is the best. If you watch the Starburst video, I like the cherry one best. So if this one, the red one's the cherry, then I probably will like it. So I'm not sure, so let's see. First, taste all the flavors. So I'm gonna do, I think, my least favorite flavor. I'm not sure what the flavors are, so I'm gonna taste according to my thinking. I think the lemon will not taste so good. Well, if it is lemon, I think it will not taste good. So I'm gonna pop it in my mouth. So it's a gumdrop, so it's like a gummy. It's squishy. It is lemon. So since this is my first flavor I'm tasting it, I don't know what the other flavors will taste like. So right now, so far, okay. I was gonna say so far so good, but not for this flavor. So these are all the flavors I just lined out. Surprisingly, the red one, which I think is a strawberry, I think this is a strawberry, the pinkish one, and this one's a cherry. The cherry one must have lots of fame because there's like literally, it took 2 rows on my napkin. Well, this one also took a lot. This one also took a lot. The lime and surprisingly, the orange only has 5. So it looks like the orange doesn't really have fame. So since it doesn't have fame, depending on this, I'm gonna eat this one last. These 2 last, and since I already ate the lemon, I just ate it. So you take those out because I don't need it anymore, but I just ate it. So move those up. And now I'm gonna taste, the orange one. An orange colored gumdrop, that's probably the flavor of an orange. Well, I think it is. See, after I eat it, it takes a while. So I finished eating the orange flavor. The reason from the lemon compared to this one, I do not like this one, the orange. And also for a little suggestion, those who like cake but don't have any toppings, buy a whole box of this and you'll be like in a colorful sensation. You'll have all sorts of colors, whether you eat them or not. They will be awesome if you celebrate Christmas. The green and red ones will be a great decoration for your birthday cake if you're born in December. Now, I eat the orange. And what else doesn't have a lot of colors? I mean, lots of fame. Looks like a lime. Oh! So let's eat that. I'll eat it and I'll see you guys after I finish it because it takes a while. So I tasted the lime, in my dad's opinion, because my dad, if you see that 2 are going away, it's because my dad and I are also eating it together to see, you know, who likes what. So me and my dad both, since the lemon was the first one, we will say, it's okay. But in like the everlasting gobstoppers, we did not like the lemon. It was kind of not in our side. The orange was like, oh no, this is way worse than the lemon. But the lime was kind of changed. I personally did not like it. I thought it was the worst. I thought it was way worse than the orange. Orange. But my dad said, well, I think it's way better than the orange. So that's a different opinion. So the lime, if it's going away, it's because we already ate it. So now, who else has, these are the last. They all have fame. But since who has less fame? Of course this one. So I'm gonna eat this one. So see you later. The strawberry one is, I think it's a strawberry one. I just ate the pinkish one, not the red one. This one, it's delicious. It's the best one so far. Even my dad agrees. Whoa. And now I'm gonna eat this one. Here you go, Dad. See you later. So I ate the cherry one. So I also like this one too. So if you guys know the Twizzler candy, it's also one of my favorite candies because you can take those little strings off and eat them. I like it. Tastes like that. And let's rank them. So I'm not gonna do one like the first place, second place, third place, fourth place, and fifth place. I'm just gonna say these are the flavors I liked, and these are flavors I don't really like them. And the not so good flavors, I'm gonna rank them. Let's see it. I think this is the order I want them to be. So the 2 awesome flavors are, you guys probably might guess it, cherry and strawberry. The 3 least and the 2 flavors are okay, I can eat it, but not my style. Is orange. Then the 2 least flavors are, since only 2 are remaining, lemon and lime. So I think this one is the best. Then this one, I don't know what I said in the early video, but now I tasted all the flavors, the ranking might change. So this is the order I am personally okay with. So if you guys all want to taste the same flavors, if you guys are tasting along with me, then you guys will probably have your opinion. Share them in your comments below. I mean, not your comments, but in the comments below. The price is $1.20. So that's the price I got it. Depending on size and where you are, the price will vary. Also, I just searched on the web while I was eating because I needed a few minutes in order to chew them all. Sorry, I was about to yawn, but I caught myself. There are other theme ones, like tropical ones. There are solid colors. There are blue, green, and all the colors. So try that out. There's even a Christmas theme where a white and green are mixed together. A red and white is mixed together like a Christmas theme. There's Easter themes that are also solid colors, but like a pinkish, a neon color. And there's also Halloween themes that have bats. Well, not bat wings, I'm saying. There's a ghost flavor, which is a glow-in-the-dark color. Well, I'm not sure if it will glow in the dark, but it looks like it's glowing in the light. There's also a candy corn flavor. So there's more flavors you can eat. So this is the common ones. I'm just eating the common ones, the most original ones. But out there in the world, there are more dots you can eat. Because like I said, 4 billion. 4 billion, guys, 4 billion. That's literally half the people in the whole world. So that much gumdrops or dots I meant, you guys might feed like literally 1 million people with that. So that's it for today. Subscribe and press the like button, and I will see you guys soon. Happy New Year, guys!